All right, trade recap from today. Um, Basically, market opened and we came out and we swept all these highs up here. And this was ideal for me because I wanted to see price come down and fill in this new week opening gap. So I wanted to find shorts. However, market opened and we ended up kind of like sweeping hourly highs, then sweeping hourly lows. Um, so it was kind of weird because we ended up coming so far down close to this new week opening gap on this green line that we were so close. I was like, okay, we're for sure going to hit it. So what did I do? We had this 1 minute fair value gap we tap into. I go short. I put my stop to break even on under this low. So when price came down here, I put my stop to break even. We end up getting stopped out at break even right here. What do we see again? We come back up and we fill the entirety of this fair value gap. And then I end up going short again off this strong candle close out of this fair value gap. Unfortunately, we got stopped out. So we had to break even a loss. And then we came up here. I still wanted to see price go down to that new week opening gap. I was still down for taking shorts because I only risked just under 0.5%. So we filled the entirety of this 5 minute fair value gap, and then price also, it was in line with this 1 minute fair value gap. Once we tapped into it, we filled this. We get a couple candles, strong candle closes. I go short. We come down a little, and I end up we chug down a little, and I end up just closing basically all of it. I had moved my stops to basically break even once we kind of had this initial move down because I didn't want to like risk more than necessary. And I just kind of wanted to see this thing swiftly move down. But we ended up just kind of chopping around for a while, and then price ended up going all the way to our take profit and further. If I hadn't moved my stop on this trade, it would have been a dub. But yeah, it was a no news Monday, so you can see we're pretty chop city up here for most of the morning. So I had the right idea, just executions weren't really there. A no news Monday, it was hard for kind of price to see some of our confluence. The 5 minute definitely looks way cleaner. Usually I just don't trade on the 5 minute, but we had filled this 5 minute fair value gap completely. Maybe tapped into this one, or 5 minute order block as well. So, yeah, I don't really like to trade on the 5 minute, but, yeah, we just couldn't quite get the execution right today. But, yeah, even though we took 3 trades, I only lost 0.5%, so not terrible, but realistically, 3 trades is kind of a lot. And then again, I think what I could do better is I knew price was gonna retrace, but I FOMO'd in. That's what it was. No way to beat around it. I don't want to make excuses. I FOMO'd in. Oh, I mean, that's what it was. I definitely should have waited for a bigger retrace. But yeah, what I could do better is wait for the retrace. We have this massive 5 minute fair value gap, and then we filled it. Like, of course, I should have waited for that. But yeah, other than that, I knew where price wanted to go, just poor execution. So got to remember to be patient. Um, because if I'd waited properly, it probably would have been a dub day. But I rushed it and I ended up losing. So yeah, it's just a reminder: don't rush the setup. Just let it come to you. So yeah, I think we're looking good to trade for the rest of the week. So I will see you guys tomorrow.